Ooh, let's get straight to it. So I need you to get a reference picture of a flower like this and sketch out the basic shapes. Once you're happy with that basic shape, you're going to go straight in with that pen outline. And don't get too hung up about the basic sketch looking exactly like your reference, because trust me, it doesn't matter that much. And honestly, the bulk of the work is in the shading. Like for real, can we just chuck perfectionism out the window now, because I'm done with it. I used to beat myself up so bad if my sketch didn't completely match the reference, but like, girl, no one's gonna see the picture. Just draw the damn thing, it's gonna look awesome, trust me. Moving on, we're going to focus on the details of the centre of the flower now. I'm not even sure what this part of the flower is called, so if anyone knows, comment down below. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm drawing a load of like square-ish shapes. Some of them are open, some of them are closed. Here's a close-up, and some of them I'm adding a 3D kind of aspect to them, but do you know what? It doesn't even matter what they look like, just draw them. We're going to cover them up in a minute. I guess there's a tiny method to the madness. The closer ones are a bit more 3D looking and the further away ones are open. So just to make the centre stand out, we're going to give it a bit of an outline. Now, I'm not outlining where the petals end, I'm outlining where the like square bits are. Does that make sense? Here's the part that I was talking about where we cover up all that hard work. So effectively, you know when you test a pen to see if it's like run out, you're basically going to do that around the whole outline and then towards the centre, but keep the outline darker. And by that I mean apply less pressure in the middle. Moving on to the petals. When you look at a petal, they have all these like little veiny bits that just show the direction of the petal. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what I'm trying to emulate here. So effectively I'm adding lines at the bottom of the top of the petal to show that, and then where there's shadows, I'm adding a few more, and also at the bottom of the lines, just to add some extra depth. So again, adding in the base lines, shading it with a few more extra lines just to build up that depth, and just repeat. And this bit goes on for a little bit, but I wanted to show it because that's how I've learned the most through YouTube, watching people actually do it. So if you've got it, I guess you can skip to the end to see the end result, but if you just want to watch, make sure you've got the hang of it, keep watching. I think it's also important to note that you want to do these lines in the direction that the petal is going, so even when there's shading in a really awkward place, you want to keep these lines in that direction. I know this takes a bit of time, but honestly this is such a simple and easy way to make a flower look really awesome. So what are we thinking? Do we like it? Like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you want to see me draw next.